Hello adventurer, welcome to week 126. This week we are taking up a new concept, decimal multiplication type 3. There are 3 worksheets this week. All 3 of them are dedicated to decimal multiplication type 3. So how is type 3 different from type 1 and 2? Let's see these pictures and understand.
You got me running, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Raise your hands up. Raise them up.
Well, as you saw, type 3 questions have a 0 before or after the decimal points in most of the questions. Alright, so let's start solving the questions and understand how type 3 works. Well, question number 1 is 0.14 multiplied by 5. The multiplicand has a 0 in the integral part, while the multiplier is a normal 1-digit value. So 0.14, 0 is the integral portion in the multiplicand, so it is taken as 0 only. The multiplier is a single digit value, that is taken as 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's take rod number 1 to begin with. I have put my left index finger on rod number 1. The question now is 5 multiplied by 14. From right to left it is 5 multiplied by 14, not 5 multiplied by 0.14. Let's ignore the 0 and take the normal values. 5 multiplied by 14. The rules of 1 by 2 multiplication apply here. Now 5 ones are 0, 5, shifted, 5 fours are 20, and the answer is 0.70. Since there is 1 digit in the integral portion, that is 5, so we have to take 1 digit in the integral portion of the answer, that is 0. So 0.70. The answer is with 1 integral part and 2 decimal places. Let's type in 0.70. It's correct. Coming to question number 2, 0.32 multiplied by 4. So the multiplicand has a 0 in the integral part. So 0 plus the multiplier 1 digit, 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's take rod number 1 to begin with. Now from right to left it is 4 multiplied by 32. 4 threes are 12, finger shifted, 4 twos are 0, 8, and the answer starts from here and ends here, 1.28. Question number 3, 0.13 multiplied by 2. So it is 2 multiplied by 13 beginning from rod number 1. 2 ones are 0, 2, finger shifted, 2 threes are 0, 6, and the answer is 0.26. Question number 4, 0.98 multiplied by 2. So where should we place the left index finger? Yes, rod number 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1. Let's begin. 2 nines are 18, finger shifted, 2 eights are 16, and the answer is 1.96. Question number 5, 0.51 multiplied by 7. Let's place the finger on rod number 1. 7 fives are 35, shifted, 7 ones are 0, 7, and the answer is 3.57. Question number 6, 0.18 multiplied by 0.8. So there is a 0 in the integral part of the multiplicand, and there is another 0 in the integral part of the multiplier. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have to begin from rod number 0 in this case. Do you remember the rod numbers? This is rod number 1, this is 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So in this case we have to begin from rod number 0. Now treat both the values as normal values. It becomes 8 multiplied by 18 from right to left, 8 multiplied by 18. So 2 by 1 multiplication apply here. 8 ones are 0, 8, finger shifted, 8 8s are 64. So the answer is 0.144. Question number 7, 0.17 multiplied by 0.8. Let's begin from rod number 0. The question becomes 8 multiplied by 17. So 8 ones are 0, 8, finger shifted, 8 sevens are 56. And the answer is 0.136. Question number 8, 0.72 multiplied by 0.9. Let's begin from rod number 0. 9 sevens are 63, 9 twos are 18, and the answer is 0.648. Question number 9, 0.14 multiplied by 0.8. Rod number 0 to begin with. 8 ones are 0, 8, 8 fours are 32, and the answer is 0.112. Question number 10, 0.87 multiplied by 0.9, beginning from rod number 0. Since there is a 0 in the integral part of the multiplicand and a 0 in the integral part of the multiplier, and the question has 3 decimal places, so our answer should have 1 digit in the integral part and 3 decimal places. From right to left it becomes 9 multiplied by 87, 9 8s are 72, 9 sevens are 63, and the answer is 0.783. Question number 11, 0.06 multiplied by 0.5. So this is a different question. The multiplicand has a 0 before the decimal point and a 0 after the decimal point, 0.06. So in this case, the rule says a 0 after the decimal point is treated as -1. Alright. So in 0.06 there is a 0 after the decimal points. It will be treated as -1, and in the multiplier, that is 0.5, there is only one 0 before the decimal point, that is treated as 0 only. So -1 plus 0 is -1. In this case we have to place the left index finger from rod number -1. This is rod number 1, this is 0, and this is -1. So I have placed my left index finger on rod number -1. Now it becomes a normal question, 1 by 1 multiplication. From right to left it is 5 multiplied by 6. Forget about the zeros and the decimal points here and just multiply 5 by 6. So 5 6 are 30, and the answer starts from here and ends here, 0.030. Question number 12 is similar to question number 11, 0.08 multiplied by 0.7. There is a 0 after the decimal point in the multiplicand, so that is taken as -1, and the 0 in the multiplier is taken as 0 only. So -1 plus 0 is -1. Let's begin from rod number -1 and treat both the values as normal values. It becomes 7 8s are 56. Let's try it. 7 8s are 56, and the answer is 0.056. Question number 13, 0.08 multiplied by 0.3, beginning from rod number -1. 3 8s are 24, and the answer is 0.024. Question number 14, 0.02 multiplied by 0.9, beginning from rod number -1. 9 2s are 18, and the answer is 0.018. Question number 15, 0.08 multiplied by 0.2, rod number -1 to begin with. 2 8s are 16 and the answer is 0.016. Question number 16 is slightly different from the previous questions because there is a 0 before the decimal point and after the decimal point in both the multiplicand and the multiplier. So each 0 after the decimal point is taken as -1. So 0.01 multiplied by 0.03, there are two zeros after the decimal points. Let's take -1 plus -1, that is -2, and this is rod number -2. You know this because this is rod number 1, rod number 0, rod number -1, rod number -2. We have to begin from rod number -2 in this case. The question is 3 ones are. Treat both the values as normal values and we get 3 ones are 0, 3. So the answer starts from here and ends here. 0.0003. Question number 17 is similar to question number 16. There is a 0 after the decimal point in the multiplicand as well as the multiplier. So both the zeros after the decimal point make -1 plus -1, that is -2. Let's start from -2. And the question now is 9 6 are 54. So the answer is 0.0054. Question number 18, 0.07 multiplied by 0.08. We have to begin from rod number -2 here. 8 7s are 56 and the answer is 0.0056. Question number 19, 0.04 multiplied by 0.09, beginning from rod number -2. 9 4s are 36 and the answer is 0.0036. Question number 20, 0.09 multiplied by 0.01, beginning from rod number -2. 1 9s are 09 and the answer is 0.0009. Question number 21 is different from the previous questions because there are two zeros after the decimal point in the multiplicand and there is 1 0 after the decimal point in the multiplier. So 0.003 multiplied by 0.007, we have to take rod number -3 in this case. -2 from the multiplicand, -1 from the multiplier. So -3. This is rod number -3. So from right to left it becomes 7 3s are 21 and the answer is 0.00021. Question number 22 is similar to question number 21. 0.003 multiplied by 0.01. Let's take rod number -3 to begin with. 1 3s are 03 and the answer is 0.00003. Question number 23, beginning from rod number -3. 8 5s are 40 and the answer is 0.00040. Question number 24 is 0.003 multiplied by 0.09. Let's begin from rod number -3. 9 3s are 27 and the answer is 0.00027. Question number 25, 0.009 multiplied by 0.01 beginning from rod number -3. 1 nines are 0, 9 and the answer is 0.00009. Question number 26, 15.3 multiplied by 0.07. As you can see, the multiplicand is a simple decimal value 15.3. There are two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 1 and 5, and the multiplier is 0.07. So there is a 0 after the decimal point in the multiplier that will be taken as -1. So the multiplicand 1 and 5, they take +2 value, and the multiplier 0.07, the 0 after the decimal point takes -1 value. +2 -1 is 1. We have to begin from rod number 1 in this case. Now treat both the values as normal values. From right to left it becomes 7 multiplied by 153. Alright, understood? 7 multiplied by 153. So 7 ones are 0, 7, finger shifted. 7 fives are 35, finger shifted. 7 threes are 21. And we have to begin reading the answer from... No, we have to begin reading the answer from rod number 2 because there were two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand, 15.
You ready? You got me running.
So reading the answer from here, 01.071. Question number 27, 61.5 multiplied by 0.04. This question is similar to question number 26. The same rule apply here. Two digits in the integral part of the multiplicand and a 0 after the decimal point in the multiplier. So +2 -1, we have to take rod number 1. 4 6 are 24, finger shifted. 4 1s are 0, 4, finger shifted. 4 5s are 20, and the answer starts from rod number 2 and ends here. We have to take as many digits as are in the integral portions of both the multiplicand and the multiplier and as many decimal places together. All right, so the answer is 02.460. Question number 28, 64.2 multiplied by 0.03, the same rules. Let's begin from rod number 1. 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 0, 6, and the answer starts from here, 01.926. Question number 29, 23.6 multiplied by 0.06 beginning from rod number 1. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 6s are 36, and the answer is 01.416. Question number 30, 90.3 multiplied by 0.04 beginning from rod number 1. The question becomes 4 multiplied by 903. Alright, 4 9s are 36, shifted. 4 zeros are 0, 0, shifted. 4 3s are 12, and the answer is 03.612. Question number 31, 15.3 multiplied by 0.009. So in the multiplicand there are two digits in the integral part, 1 and 5. In the multiplier there are two zeros after the decimal point. So +2 -2 becomes 0. In this case we have to take rod number 0 to begin with.
When I sing my song, let me listen to me.
From right to left it becomes 9 multiplied by 153. Alright, so 9 ones are 0, 9, shifted, 9 fives are 45, shifted, 9 threes are 27, and the answer starts from here, rod number 2, because there are two values in the integral part of the multiplicand, 1 and 5. So that means we have to begin reading the answer from rod number 2. 0.1377. Question number 32, 22.9 multiplied by 0.006. The same rules apply here. We have to begin from rod number 0 because 2 minus 2 is 0. So from right to left it is 6 multiplied by 229. Rules of 1 by 3 multiplication apply here. 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 9s are 54. And the answer is 0.1374. Question number 33, 92.6 multiplied by 0.005 beginning from rod number 0. 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 6s are 30. And the answer is 00.4630. Question number 34, 39.8 multiplied by 0.007. Let's begin from rod number 0. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 7 9s are 63, shifted. 7 8s are 56. And the answer is 00.2786. Question number 35, 41.2 multiplied by 0.009 beginning from rod number 0. 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 0, 9, 9 2s are 18, and the answer is 00.3708. Question number 36, 53.6 multiplied by 0.002 beginning from rod number 0. 2 5s are 10, shifted. 2 3s are 0, 6, shifted. 2 6s are 12. The answer is 00.1072. Question number 37, 82.4 multiplied by 0.001 beginning from rod number 0. 1 8s are 0, 8, 1 2s are 0, 2, 1 4s are 0, 4, and the answer is 00.0824. Question number 38, 14.4 multiplied by 0.004 beginning from rod number 0. 4 1s are 0, 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, and the answer is 00.0576. Question number 39, 53.5 multiplied by 0.004 beginning from rod number 0. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, and the answer is 00.2140. Question number 40, 93.3 multiplied by 0.002 beginning from rod number 0. 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 0, 6, 2 3s are 0, 6, and the answer is 00.1866. So students, question number 41 to question number 45, they contain mixed decimal multiplication types. So I want you to solve these 5 questions on your own. Can you solve them on your own?
You ready?
Good.
You got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby.